Questions we always get asked: how do I match my existing paint color? I always get asked a lot of painting questions even though I'm a drywaller. I only do drywall. I'm not a handyman, I'm not a painter. Drywalling is a trade, painting's a trade. There's some guys that do it all, but I just specialize in drywall. I stay plenty busy with drywall repairs. So whatever I finish a job, I always tell the homeowner, I said, let the drywall texture dry at least 24 hours. Anytime after it dries, depending on the texture, some texture types need to be sanded. Sanding's like sanding block, 150 grit sandpaper, or a fine or medium sanding block. You lightly sand the areas, a little more effort on the edges to blend into the existing texture, and just glide over the patch. You're not grinding it down, you're not sanding Bondo, you're just letting the sponge or the sandpaper do the work, not your hand. And what I do is I say, hey homeowner, here's a piece of your drywall, here's my business card. Take this piece of drywall to any paint store and get your paint match. This is usually the best way of getting a paint match. A nice piece, at least a 2 by 2 inch piece of drywall, or anything you can really match. Take that in and then you get a paint match. So you always have to let your drywall patches dry for at least 24 hours. I always recommend doing a Kills primer. It's a Kills latex in a blue can. You always seal it up with that, primer it up with that, or you can do the PVA drywall sealer. A lot of people say, what about the paint and primer in one? So that stuff is good, but I always recommend doing a Kills primer or PVA drywall sealer primer first before any paint project. So you gotta let it, sand it, primer it with Kills or PVA drywall sealer, then paint. You have to do those step processes. There's certain textures out there that don't need sanding, but a majority of them do need to be lightly sanded. We do small in and out drywall jobs, 1 or 2 hour jobs, in and out patchwork, so we can't sand all the jobs that we do, or we'd be just going back to jobs every day. So we usually leave it up to the homeowners. That's why we give them a good rate, because we go in there one trip and in and out, and then they can paint it themselves or hire a painter. But always keep your drywall piece to paint match and you'll get good results.